Hey guys, today I got something new for you guys today. But you know what? It's not a snapback, but hear me out first. So guys, I will post something hat related every couple of videos. What I mean is, it's not going to be like a snapback, but it's going to be something hat related. Because it makes my channel more interesting to watch. It'll probably be every 10 videos. So guys, let's get started with the review. Today I'm reviewing House of Rave LED bucket hat. My review for this hat is 8 out of 10. The reason why, the material for this bucket hat is alright, it could be much more better. And the cool thing about this hat is, it could change 3 different light modes. And the first light mode is a normal slow blinking light. And the second light mode is a fast normal blinking light. And the last light mode is a rainbow light. And guys, this LED bucket hat be suitable going to Coachella or Rolling Loud or any big concerts or any big festival, because anybody could notice you with this hat. That's why I give this hat 8 out of 10. Hope you guys like this video. See ya guys.